Hey guys, I got a quick one for you. Sorry if I'm posting all this stuff today, but I just got excited, so just thinking of something else before I go to bed, and I just wanted to share it. Thumbtack lead generation. I don't know if any of you guys are using it. This is more for service-based companies than anything else. But if you are using Thumbtack lead generation, I just wanted to give you some tips on how I use it to better serve my business purposes. So I'm a handyman when I'm at home, and I have in my services, I rotate these out quite often. Being a handyman, there's a lot of stuff you can do. I go through each of the services depending on the time of year and what seems to be moving. I will change these up. What I'm looking for in a service is not the most expensive service I can sell. I'm actually looking for the more cheaper ones. That way I can get the lead. I limit my service categories because your budget. Right now I have mine set kind of at unlimited, but you want your budget to focus on just a few of these. You don't want it to have like 20 listings up here and have your budget spread out all over 20 listings, because you'll never get any leads, or you'll get few and far between in each category. So I like to limit mine. Right now I got 6 up. I usually only have like 3, and then I'll have some on pause, like this one, play equipment construction. I turn them on pause because you still get the lead, but you don't have to pay for it. So if somebody wants this done, I can bid on it. I can look at the job, view the job, and see what the details are, and I can decide whether or not I want to purchase that lead. So that's why I do it on pause. Why do I do lead gen sites this way? Because I don't want to bid on the highest job, because you're going to be paying the most money, because there's a lot of people trying to bid on the highest job, so the prices go up, a couple $100 for lead in some areas. But on the lower paying jobs, garbage disposal repair, garbage disposal installation, handyman, hourly jobs, and then garage door repair, even the gazebo installation and the play equipment, they're pretty cheap, even though the jobs are got a good monetary value. But like this, let's just say open up gazebo installation and click on max lead prices. Right now I have it set to the max, bidding on the max. So the most I will pay is up to $33 for a lead. Generally, I'm paying around $10 to $12, sometimes a little more, but generally it's $10 to $12 a lead. Not a lot of people bidding on that around here. Go back to services. Same with garbage disposal repair. They're about $20, $25 a lead, and lower. And I mean, for a garbage disposal repair, I'm not making much on that. I charge $147. Go out there, fix your garbage disposal. I might pay $25 a lead. I might spend. Actually, I have a pretty good closing ratio, except for this week. I don't know what's going on, but generally, I'm right around 40 to 50% closing on these leads, and so I might spend half the cost in getting this lead, but I don't care, because this lead I'm not really concerned about the job. I'm not looking for the job as the money. I'm looking for that customer's information. I want their name, and I want their phone number, and I want their email address. If I can get their address, great. If not, name, phone number, and email is all I need, because I want to remarket to them later. Also on these, another reason why I go for the low-hanging fruit, the cheap jobs, is because you can upsell. I'm going to their house. I'm going to see their house. I'm going to see what they need. If I walk up and I see, hey, they got a roof that's looking kind of tattered, might need a cleaning, possibly some new shingles, possibly a re-roof. I don't do roofing, but I know other contractors who do. I could sell them that lead. But low-hanging fruit, that's what I do. Build your list so you can remarket to them later. Thanks for listening, guys.